Hello, this is Miss Rosita again, and we are still on graphing linear equation. And please, student, remember to graph a line, you need a point and a slope, or 2 points. We will graph standard form of linear equation, and this is on the form ax plus by is equal to c. This is my example. I will graph 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. The method that we're gonna use, we will find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So I will create a table here. Okay. We will label the first column as x, y, and we will just need 2 points, the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, how do I get that? I will set up x as 0, y as 0. And we know, student, that if x is 0, that is called, in a coordinate, if x is 0, that this is what you call the y-intercept. Okay? And this one, y is 0, this is called the x-intercept. Okay? So, let us solve for y if x is 0 using this equation. So, if x is 0, this will be 3 times 0 will be 0. So, I cover this up. Sometimes we call this cover up method. Now, what remains here is negative 4y is equal to 12. So I'm gonna solve, I will move the equation here, the remaining equation. I divide by negative 4, because I'm solving for the value of y. So this is our y-intercept, negative 3. 0, negative 3. So that will be 1, 2, 3 here. You'll notice that it is on the y. Okay? And the x-intercept, y is 0. So if we multiply negative 4 times 0, this will become 0. So I cover this up. Okay. Let us cover this. If we cover this, what remain on the equation is 3x equals 12. So I copy it here on this side. And I'm gonna solve for x. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X is equal to 4. So here, this is our x-intercept. x0. Oh, 4. 4, 0. I'm sorry for that. So, we graph it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 0. Now that I have 2 points, I can graph. Because you can graph a line if you have 2 points. Or a point and a slope. So this is my line. And I will always label my equation, my line, by its corresponding equation. So this is 3x negative 4y is equal to 12. So let us fill this up. It's already here. The y-intercept is 0, negative 3. The x-intercept is 4, 0. And the 0, of course, they are the same thing. 0 is the same as x-intercept. And the slope, I will look at the slope. It is going up. So the slope is 1. I will count the rise over 1. 1, 2, 3. So the rise positive 3. Run is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the type of slope is positive. Okay. Remember, student, when I introduced the three forms of equation, I told you that the formula for getting the slope, if the equation is standard, is opposite of A over B, right? So we know that A here is 3, B is -4, and C is 12. So I'm gonna follow the formula. A is 3, opposite of 3 is -4. And then B is -4. Oh, -3, I'm sorry. A is -3. Okay? And then B is -4. So if I simplify -3 over -4, it will give me 3 over 4. This is another way of finding the slope. If you can use it if the equation is given and you don't see a graph. Okay? I hope I clarify the key features. Here's the key features. Finding the y-intercept and the x-intercept. And another way of finding the slope using the formula opposite A over B.